Well, Davros here, and I've got a little bit of news. Now, I can't afford to go buy a newer bike myself because of the situation I'm in, and I've known for a while that I could do with a newer one, and being away in France proved that. However, I asked my mum if she could possibly help me out with buying a new bike, and she's agreed, much to my surprise and delight. So I found a new VStrom, because this one's a 2007 VStrom 650 that I've had for the last 3 years now. It's my first big bike, and I found another VStrom. It's a 2018 1000cc, and it's exactly the same as Goose's, and it's in mint condition. It's even the same colour as Goose's, which, as far as I'm concerned, the only 3 colour options of that particular year. The white one is by far my favourite. I do wish they made them in this lovely metallic blue still, but they don't. So I found a bike down south, and we've paid for it, and it's being delivered in the next week or two. They're gonna service it and all that for me, and then get it delivered. So I am well excited, and I am very thankful for having a really good mother. Anyway, so hopefully the next footage you'll see is the bike being delivered. So it's new bike day for me today. I'm just waiting for it to turn up. It should be here within the next few minutes. So I'm just waiting for it to turn up, and I have been like a little impatient kid. There's what my wonderful mother that's bought me this motorbike. Give us a wave.
Me?
Yeah.
So that's it, simple as that. All documents and keys are in there. Panniers, and I presume that's the lowest of that. It's as easy as that. Enjoy it and have fun.
Yeah,
I said it.
Oh, I plan on it.
Have fun with it. See you with next one.
Thank you very much.
Not a problem.
it's here. It's turned up this morning. It's in its new home. And I am made up. Now, I just want to say a big thank you to my mother. You are an absolute diamond. You're one in a million, and thank you so much for buying me this new bike. I love it. So thank you. I love you.